Welcome to the Childhood Bilingualism Research Centre at the Chinese University of Hong Kong's Department of Linguistics and Modern Languages. Let's begin our journey. CBRC was officially established in March 2008 at the Chinese University of Hong Kong, funded by the university's Focused Investment Scheme. Our mission is to achieve excellence in research in childhood bilingualism and multilingualism, to serve children and parents in Hong Kong and the region by studying childhood bilingualism and propagating its positive outcomes, to document the development of bilingualism in bilingual children from its inception to maturity, and demonstrate their achievements in attaining bilingual competence in childhood, to raise the public's awareness of Hong Kong children's development of biliteracy and trilingualism, to study and support revitalization of minority and heritage languages in the context of bilingual and multilingual education. The center's aims and aspirations are represented in its logo. The three colors: cerulean for Cantonese, magenta for Mandarin, and emerald for English, represent three different languages in contact, giving rise to a spectrum of combinations of derived colors. The colors of the rainbow also suggest diversity in theoretical approaches, empirical data and methodology. The center's aims and aspirations are represented in its logo containing three symbolic elements: a vine leaf, grapes embedding the center abbreviation CBRC, and rainbow colors. Fruitfulness and productivity are our aspirations. CBRC is actively engaging in various projects and research collaborations with world-leading institutions. We construct longitudinal bilingual corpora by collecting naturalistic speech data from children. The database is regarded as one of the world's largest video-linked database of children learning two first languages.
Yeah, we could draw that. Can you draw that? You have to draw that all the way around. What colour is it going to be? Can it be blue or green?
Green.
Is it going to be green?
Yeah.
睇一張報紙，嗰度有架乜嘢車啊？
CBRC also participates in experimental psycholinguistics research projects on how Hong Kong children process words and sentences through conducting experiments to investigate their comprehension and production. The Bilingual Child, Early Development and Language Contact, published by Cambridge University Press, 2007, co-authored by CBRC's director Virginia Yip and co-director Stephen Matthews. Received the Linguistic Society of America's Leonard Bloomfield Book Award in 2009. The award came just in time for the inaugural conference on bilingual acquisition in early childhood. The conference aimed to draw together researchers interested in the linguistic development of children exposed to two or more languages in childhood, and hope to promote the study of childhood bilingualism in diverse environments and communities, providing a forum for the exchange of views between researchers working with bilingual children and contributing to a better understanding of language acquisition and childhood bilingualism. Let's hear the feedback from one of our keynote speakers, William O'Grady.
The conference on bilingual acquisition in early childhood was, I think, a breakthrough event for linguistics here in Hong Kong. Unbelievably, it was the first ever conference on bilingualism in this part of the world, which was really surprising. And it was also a great opportunity to launch the Child Bilingualism Research Centre, which, given its location and its distinguished faculty, is going to contribute greatly to the study of bilingualism in this part of the world. And it was no coincidence, in my view, that on the first day of the conference, we had the announcement that Virginia Yip and Steve Matthews won the Bloomfield Award for their book, The Bilingual Child. The future for the study of bilingualism in Asia is indeed bright. Thank you.
Workshop on bilingualism and language acquisition was held on March 17, 2010 at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. The workshop launched the Distinguished Speakers Lecture Series, with 2 keynote speakers giving inaugural speeches, Ellen Bialystok and Maria Polinsky.
So I'm very happy to be here at this workshop, and I think that this is a wonderful beginning of a very important series of work on different things which relate to bilingualism. So the title of my talk is Early Birds Have Words.
The workshop brings together researchers working on different areas in the fields of bilingualism and language acquisition, in an effort to promote the integration of research in both fields. We keep looking towards the future. We will continue to combine insights from language acquisition, typology, processing and developmental psycholinguistics in our research. The creation of multimedia corpus and experimental data that are audio and video linked will continue to be a prominent feature of our work. Currently we are working on a new project on the trilingual development in Hong Kong children. Thank you for your interest in the work of the Childhood Bilingualism Research Centre.